Is your Infiniti QX56 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead or weak CR2032 battery. Replace it by carefully prying open the fob with a small screwdriver, ensuring correct polarity when inserting the new battery. If a battery change doesn't solve the issue, the fob may need to be relearned with the vehicle's body control module. Try this manual procedure. Insert the key into the ignition, cycle from off to ACC 5 times within 10 seconds, then press the lock button. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm synchronization. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, suspect the antenna module. This module receives the signal from your key fob. A common issue is corrosion or wiring faults. The antenna module is often located in the driver's door or under the dashboard. Symptoms include the fob only working at very close range. To test it, use a multimeter to check continuity. If faulty, replace the module. Replacement parts can be found from dealers or aftermarket suppliers, but be aware that costs have risen due to recent chip shortages. Remember to always disconnect the car battery before working on electrical components to avoid accidental airbag deployment or short circuits.